Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Camerawoman from Skibidi Toilet. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw the head. Let's first start with a rectangle shape. Now on the top corners, let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve down and out. And then connect them at the top. Now from the sides, let's bring it up. And then another curve across the top to close it off. And lastly, underneath, let's draw lines down on both sides. And then a line across the bottom to close off the head. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw curves down and out on both sides for the shoulders. Next, underneath the neck, let's draw a curve. Now let's add the jacket of her shirt. Let's start with a V shape underneath in the center. Then from the bottom, let's angle it out. And then an angled V shape to close off each side. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw the collar of the jacket. Let's start with a long V underneath. Then under the collar, let's draw a small angle. And then bring both sides back down to the center. And lastly, for the collar, at the top under the shoulder, let's draw another pointed line out on both sides. Now in the center, in the middle section, let's draw a line down. And then let's continue it down further for the jacket. Now let's hop to the sides and let's draw curves down for the sides of the jacket. And then a curve across the bottom to close it off. Next, let's hop inside and add some details. Inside, on the sides of the jacket, let's draw a curved rectangle shape up on both sides for the pockets. Then add another curve inside at the top. Now, next to the center line, let's draw another line down on the right. And the same thing above for the shirt. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move to the sides and draw the arms. From the shoulder, let's angle it down and out on both sides. And the same thing underneath. Now from both ends, let's bring it downwards. And then close off the bottom of each sleeve. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. Let's start from the inside and let's draw a curve down and back up. And the same on the right. Then let's curve it back down, around, and up to close off each hand. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the skirt. Let's start under the jacket on both sides and let's angle it out. And then a curve across like this. Now underneath, let's add the legs. We'll start on the bottom left and let's bring it out and then angle it back in. And the same on the right. Now for the inside of the legs, we'll start with a small angle down. Then for the calf, let's curve it out and then angle it back in. Now for the outside line, let's angle it out and then curve it back around like this. Now at the bottom, let's add the heels. Let's start from the front and let's curve it down. Now top to the inside, and from the back of the foot, let's curve it down. Then bring it over and up for the heel. Now to close it off, let's angle it down and over to the front. And that's it for Camerawoman. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!